Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about how the day and the night happen. This happens through the Earth's movement. Yes, the Earth moves. Right now, as you're listening to me, the Earth is moving. This movement, we call it rotation. Rotation is nothing more than the Earth moving. That's it. It takes 24 hours or the equal to it, which is 1 day. Now, here I have my Earth. And here I have my Sun. We're going to see how all of this happens. Now, if you can see, my Earth has all the continents. North America, South America, so the American continent, Africa, Europe in red, Asia in yellow, and Australia in brown. At the bottom, we have Antarctica. Now, these are the 5 continents. I put it in color so you can all see what we're doing. Now, in real life, the Earth is way bigger than the Sun. The Sun is only a star, like the ones you see outside in the sky at night. Those are stars. The Sun is a star. The only thing is that the Sun is closer to us, to the Earth. The other stars that you see there, they look very, very small. They're far away from the Earth. Okay? But it's only a star. Now, rotation. Rotation is only this movement of the Earth. Okay? This movement is called rotation. The Earth rotates in its axis. What is axis? Axis is an imaginary line. Imaginary, not real, doesn't exist. It's an imaginary line that goes from the North Pole all the way through the South Pole of the Earth. And the Earth rotates in its own axis. Okay? So, the Earth is like this, tilted towards the Sun. It starts rotating. Okay, starts rotating. So let's see where the Sun is hitting right now. The Sun is hitting right now in North America and South America. So in the American continent, it's hitting there. So how is this part? It has light or is it dark? It's dark. So right now in Asia, Africa and Europe, all of this part is having night time or afternoon, okay? Now, this part is receiving the Sun, which means that it's the daylight, okay? So, rotation is this action. Let's look at the American continent. Well, we also look at this part of the Earth where Asia and Europe and Africa are, and we're going to rotate it and see what's going to happen to the light. This one has light in America. Let's rotate. Remember, it takes 24 hours, a whole day, for rotation to happen. What's happening to America now here? It's starting to get a little bit darker, a little bit darker, a little bit darker, until I'm all the way through the other side, which means it's night already. It's nighttime. Now in Asia, Europe and Africa, and Australia, it is daylight. So I'm going to continue rotating, and back to North America. Now back to North America, the rotation of 1 day is over and it starts again. Rotation never stops. Okay guys, it never stops. My orange is dripping. So this is what day means. We have morning, we have afternoon, midnight, and night. Now, this is rotation, 1 day or 24 hours. The Earth rotates on its axis. Now, remember that I said that the axis is tilted? It's tilted towards the Sun. You can see that this part is receiving more light, right? So, than the bottom. So, it's receiving more light. That means that if it's receiving straight light, it's actually summer in this part of the earth. So in the North American part, it's being summer, while at the bottom, it's being winter. Okay? And in the other part of the earth is being spring and fall. Now, how these seasons happen? It happens because the earth rotates. It doesn't, revolves around the earth, the sun. So it revolves like this, rotation happening 1 day, 2 days, and like that. It takes months, 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 and months. And what happens is that when it gets back here, it has been 1 full year, or 365 days approximately. Could be 1 more day or 1 less day. Okay, so when a revolution happens like this, rotation happens, revolution happens, both at the same time, one causes the day, the other one throughout a whole year causes the season.